So what's up guys, welcome back here to another video. So welcome to 2021. So today in this video, let's talk about the top 3 resources where you can learn coding from. So these 3 are going to be completely free resources where you can learn coding from. So these aren't from any articles or websites where I read from. This is from my personal experiences where I learned coding and where I felt more comfortable learning. So these are my top 3 coding best resources. Yeah, so the first in the list is Free Code Camp. So Free Code Camp is a non-profit organization which teaches coding for free. So they have a YouTube channel which is based on all coding tutorials. So they have about HTML, CSS tutorials which are about 5 hours, 6 hours long, which explains thoroughly about all the required details you should know about HTML and CSS. So there are tutorials which are about 40 minutes, 1 hour, which teaches all about HTML and CSS, but they aren't real. They won't teach you all about HTML and CSS in just 1.5 hours. They're just going to go through about what are the requirements and what are these. What example, if you take a flexbox, they're just going to teach you what is a flexbox, but they won't teach you about getting what is the flexbox going to do and from where you can use the flexboxes, and all those details won't be covered in that 1 hour tutorial. So I suggest you to watch the 5 hours, 6 hours tutorials which are from Free Code Camp, that will teach you all about coding and all the required details you should know about coding. So they're one of the best, I would say, because I learned coding from there. I followed some tutorials which are from other YouTubers and other channels also, but I didn't feel comfortable and I didn't understand all required details I should know. And then I found Free Code Camp and then I started learning from there, and they were one of the best places where you can learn coding from. So thanks Free Code Camp too. Yeah. So the second in the list is Edureka. So Edureka is an institute. They also have a YouTube channel. I'll link all the YouTube channel in the descriptions. Yeah, so they are also a YouTube channel which teaches about coding also, and SQL and all other stuffs also they teach. Yes, but they have tutorials about coding, web development and all those stuffs also. You can learn HTML, CSS, PHP and all those stuff from their YouTube channel too. So they also have one of the best lecture panels you could find, but the most recommended stuff I would say is Free Code Camp. Because Free Code Camp was too easy to me to understand about what is it, and to understand maybe it would differ to you. So that's why I will say Edureka also, because Edureka also taught me more stuffs, and so you can just follow it from it's your wish to follow it through Free Code Camp or through Edureka. That's all in your hands, but I would suggest is Free Code Camp. Yeah, so the third in the list is any other YouTubers you can find. So because I can't say you have to learn from Free Code Camp and you have to learn from Edureka, because not everything Free Code Camp could teach you. Because if you are from Free Code Camp, and they'll have all the tutorials based on, but still if it comes to working, if it comes to projects, sometimes you will have some doubts on how to create this and how to create that. Maybe you will have a doubt on how to create a navigation bar, so then you can't come to the tutorials and again go back through the 5 hours tutorial, so that won't be possible. But you have a third option which teaches you about other stuff also. So if you have a doubt about how to create a navigation, you can come along to YouTube and type how to create navigation, and then there will be better YouTubers about that too. So Coder, and there are a lot of YouTubers who teach us about how to create navigation bar and how to create this. So you would have to refer some other YouTubers also if you are learning a tutorial, right? So that's why I would suggest these 3 best resources as learning. So the way I learned coding was I followed tutorials at the beginning. Yeah, so I started following many tutorials at the start, and I couldn't find a perfect tutorial where it teaches me everything about HTML and CSS, and then I found Free Code Camp, and then I learned from Free Code Camp, and then but still I wasn't so confident about doing everything. So when I started doing projects, it was a bit difficult. So I started learning how to create navigation bar, and then how to create a header, and then all those stuffs, a header picture and all those stuffs. I started learning each one by one after learning from Free Code Camp, and then I managed to be a front-end developer who knows HTML, CSS, JavaScript and most of the stuffs. Yeah, so hope this video was useful to you. So if it was useful to you, make sure you subscribe to this channel and also like this video and share this to your coding friend or any college mates who also learns coding and are more interested in. So see you again in another video.